Hello, this is John Weber from JWFlyfishing, and we're just looking today here at the JWFlyfishing site. I've had a few questions from some guys having problems with using the water levels, the USGS water level tool. So I wanted to do this quick blurb today to maybe try to help some of those fellers out and to better understand the data that we can find on here. So first off, we're starting out at the JWFlyfishing homepage. We're going to scroll down to Tools and click on the water levels, which is going to bring up the USGS water tables here. And I have 4 station numbers that are already pre-selected over here on the left. These all pertain to the Farmington River here in northwestern Connecticut. So the first piece of information that they're giving us here is the discharge, right? Now if we want to find the discharge in like the upper TMA section below like Church Pool and stuff like that, we have to remember we have to add these two numbers, this 209 and this 163. We have to add these together and that gives us the total flow. These other ones are lower down the river. Now the real interesting piece of information that I wanted to show you is when we click on this station number, which I don't think a lot of guys know how to use this portion of this. Now when we come here, it's asking us, okay, what kind of a graph do we want to look at this on? I just prefer the regular graph. It starts out at a 7-day spread. What this does is this shows us actually what the water has done in the last 7 days. Well, the other thing that I wanted to show a lot of guys out there is that we can actually change this number. We can change this up to a 120-day spread and then click go. And then what we have is we have a 90-day spread of the water. Now what I like to use this tool for is like here. This is very important to be able to understand what the conditions of the river is before you get there. I mean, that is something that can definitely give you an edge to know like what is fishable on this section of water. What are the lows? What are the highs? Okay, where are we in between that? Do I need to be prepared to nymph? Do I need to be prepared to fish dry flies with a very small tippet because the fish and the low water conditions are going to make the fish very skittish? So anyways, you can do that with any one of those. You can do that with any one of the 4 station numbers on here, and that can definitely help you out and give you an edge by knowing what the conditions of the river are before you get there, so you have time to plan your strategy and make sure that you have the necessary materials. So I hope this segment was helpful to all, and look forward to seeing you all on the river.